Hey guys, how to push your project to GitHub from Visual Studio Code. It's pretty simple, let's get started. First, let's open our project, choose Open Folder, then you can choose your project. I create new folder, push to Git, create, and open it. I haven't files here, let's create some files, for example, index.html, let's add some text, for example, text with my channel's URL, okay, and let's create another file, for example, utils.js, okay. This file will be empty for now. Later I will add text here and show how to push changes to a project on GitHub. To push our project, choose Source Control and here choose Publish to GitHub. If you haven't this button, check that you have a GitHub extension. Click Publish to GitHub. The extension GitHub wants to sign in using GitHub. Allow. I automatically logged into my GitHub account. If you are unable to log in, then open your browser and sign in into your account or create your new account on GitHub if you haven't it. Next, choose Publish to GitHub, choose Private Repository or Public Repository. I use Private Repository for this project. Choose files which should be included in the repository. I choose all files and then press OK. Publish to GitHub, uploading files, successfully published the repository to GitHub. Next we can open it, or we can open our browser, then choose our account, then your repositories, and we see our new push to Git project here. Open it, we have two files, index.html file with our URL address and the empty utils.js file. Now let's make a change to an empty file and push the changed file to GitHub. Return to our project and we have a first commit for all files in project. Go to Visual Studio Code, go to File Structure, we have a utils.js project, and let's copy this code to utils with comments. Okay, now we see the M letter. It means that this file is modified, and now let's commit this change. Open Source Control, we have modified files here in this list. Next, write a message, for example, add URL. Next, we can click on this file and we see that we have a new text with our URL. Then we can commit, then push, or we can press arrow and commit and push in one action. Press commit and push, then click yes to stage all our changes and commit them directly. Yes. Let's check, open our browser, refresh the page, Ctrl R, and we see that we have an index.html file with first commit and we have utils.js with add URL command. Open our utils.js file and we have our modified file on GitHub. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you next time.